Today for breakfast, I had spiced pumpkin pancakes. The ingredients you'll need to make this recipe are a cup of whole wheat pancakes mix, a cup of cold water, a third a cup of canned pumpkin, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a fourth a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So you just simply want to add your water, pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and pancake mix to a bowl and mix it all together very well. And you want to spray your skillet with non-fat cooking spray. You're going to spoon about a fourth a cup of pancake mix into your skillet. Each pancake will be about 3 inches in width, and it takes about 2 minutes to cook on each side. This is what my pancakes look like when they were all finished cooking. They are 150 calories and 3 points plus, and I just had them with some brown and served turkey sausage.